In today's video, I will demonstrate to you the patatad concept. It's like this: right foot, right hand, the left hand and the left foot is at the back. So it's like this. When I strike number 1 from this position, I can strike with the left or I can start with the right. So when I begin with the right hand, I'm going to put my left hand in here, like that. From this position, 1, 2, 3. Now I am left-handed. Left-handed. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That's 3 strikes. Now I will show you the 4th strike. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. You can strike us with 5 strikes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in this position, you can start with the right, or you can start with your left. Now, because I am always telling people that in Arcali, by the way, we have a group in Binyan, the t-shirt RRK Binyan Laguna. We use patterns. Now, I will show you to you the empty hand. Like this. We will use this, for example, it's like this, for empty hand. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So in this, in front, I will show to you the chopping pants. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Of course, you have to use your shoulder. It means you have to keep it up like this. 1, to create more power into your chopping pants. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So you should keep your shoulder up. So from this position, like this, in here, 1, 2, 3. Again, 1, 2, 3. Now in my left hand, 1, 2, 3. So you have power because you keep your shoulder up. So when you're doing this, you're winding your the muscle at the back of your shoulder. You wind it up like this. Yeah, like this. This is very powerful punch. Chop chop. Of course, you have to be agile. Speed, timing, power. So, for example, when I have an opponent in front of me, the strike is left hand at my head. Then I will side step using my right foot. I do like this. One, two, parry. Parry strike his incoming jab. Of course, his jab is very fast. So I also be fast also. So I have to be quick. When a punch comes, I can easily parry strike, or in my left, I do like 1, 2, 3. So when I go to the left, I use this. When I go to the right, use this. It's similar to the Sinawali, but the Sinawali has a backhand. The Patantad is direct strike. So very fast. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. But of course, you have to train well so that your hand becomes so fast. Then here I will do like this. One, as I said, first, the best down, then up. So, best down, then up. Best up. So, best down, up. Best down, and up. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So in this angle, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Of course, at first you have to be wide. So when 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, many times, up to 100. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. But in actual fighting, you should be quick, so you have to use short movements. So calculated short movement. The distance is very short. Like this, for example, it's only a point-to-point finger to thumb, like this. See, very. When I use this, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So you can use this, for example, from long range, you have to step before you can hit. To line your punch, you have to step forward. So I have to paint first with my right hand to the body without moving my left foot. I do like this. One, then two, three, four. So, one. So from this, one. So this is the patagtad pattern. Of course, you can use it in the body. So from the body to the head. So you can use it to the body. 1, 2, 3. For 1, 2, 3. Of course, you should memorize the up, like this, the 12 basic of patagtad. High, down, high, down, then down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. High, low, low. The 12 basic strike of patagtad. So for today, it's the lesson I want to impart to you, my friend. Thank you for your time and see you next time.